Having trouble getting your footing trading at all-time highs, even when you know which direction we're going in, you want to take advantage of premium and discount sensitivity. So, sounds like a big term. All that really is using a Fibonacci retracement and putting it over the previous day's candle. And generally, you want to get the largest candle that's in your vicinity. So here you see we have these two previous days, but this one is larger. So you want to put one on here. And I like to get rid of the high and the low and just have the different quadrants. So 0.75 here, the midpoint or consequent encroachment right here, and then the lowest one right here. And it's not super duper cut and dry. You do have to spend a little bit of time seeing what price does. So if we come down to this one from where we are, this 25 172.50 level, we have to see, does price knife through and continue lower, or does it respect it, become sensitive to it, and bounce higher? And if we were to knife through this one, we want to see what happens for the lower ones. So, going to show you an example of me using it this morning, and you can see I have them right here. And we came below 172.75. We're below 149. So next one is 125.25, and we want to see how we react once we're there. Do we knife through it, or do we spend some time here and then reject and continue higher? So you can see right here, we spent a little bit of time going sideways, but we never really went too far past that level. So as soon as we went below here, right here, we came right back above. You can see we're right back above there. And then price presented another PD array. So because we spent almost no time, really minimal time below here, and we came right back up to this level after hanging out here, it was a pretty obvious thing that we were going to move higher. So I took an entry, and you can see that price was very sensitive. So that's why it's called discount and premium sensitivity. So sensitive that it immediately shot us higher. So after taking that entry, price started to expand, and then it continued on higher. So very, very straightforward. There is a little bit of nuance to it, and the fact that you do have to make sure price doesn't just knife through, or make sure that it bounces so that it is doing what you want it to do. But very straightforward. If you're having a tough time getting your footing, this should absolutely help if you use it with another PD array. So let me know if you guys have questions or want to see it again in practice. But as always, good luck, good trading, be safe.